Hi there and welcome to the next episode of Talk Like a Pro with FBS. In this episode, you will learn what Smurfs have to do with money, what cockroach theory is, and what traders mean by saying the Godfather offer. Smurfs are fictional creatures depicted in a series of original comic books and later adopted for various media outlets, including cartoons, movies, and games. Long story short, Smurfs are kinda good. In finance, however, a Smurf is someone undertaking illegal action to evade government control over their transactions. In other words, it's a money launderer. In case you didn't know, that is against the law in most of the countries, so don't be a Smurf. Let's stick with the movies for a little while, shall we? Maybe you know this one. It's called Joe's Apartment, about a guy who's living in a flat infested with, hordes of cockroach. Yikes! However, it's a musical comedy, so the cockroaches are friendly. They talk, sing, and pretty much nice guys. Joe's best friend those bugs, and they even help him in the end. Watch this 90s flick if you haven't yet. How does this relate to the market? Well, you might have heard about this theory that if you see one cockroach, there are even more hiding somewhere where you can't see. Said to have been initially applied by Warren Buffett himself. The cockroach theory states that if a company reveals bad news, so to speak, there are most likely more disturbing details unseen by the public eye. Simply put, there is never just one bug. Let's see if you get a hint. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. Got it? It's the Godfather, the famous mafia saga. Anyway, one small piece from Coppola's classic. It's quite often used in trading as a slang term, the Godfather offer. The meaning is simple. It's an offer you just can't refuse. Got any of these lately? And that's about it. We'll meet again on Talk Like a Pro with FBS. The next episode's topic will be technical slang. And thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe. If you like what you see, I'll see you next time.